I clearly don't know enough about Harry Potter to be here. So today is the day. One of Isaac's Christmas presents was to come to Universal Islands of Adventure for one day with my sister Tiffany and his cousin Jake. And we are here and we are gonna play so hard. We're here before the park opens. We have about 30 minutes before the gate opens and we're in line. Here's my sister Tiffany and our cousin Jake and Isaac. So if you remember, this is the present that Isaac opened that said 12:47 p.m. If you want to see his reaction and how we revealed it to him, check it out here. The gates have opened. The adventure begins. Hogwarts. This is so cool. I love people at theme parks. They're so helpful. Everybody's giving us little tips and go here, go there, try this. Amazing people in this world.
What do you want?
Pretzels in the bowl.
Pretzels in a bowl?
Huh?
First thing in the morning? That's what you want, is pretzels.
Yeah.
Did you have any good dreams?
I think so.
Do you want to go with me to the store today?
Wait, are we buying some new medicine for me?
We're not getting new medicine for you. We were going to get some stuff for people who are going through the earthquakes down in the other part of Puerto Rico.
I'm gonna go up Puerto Rico.
You want to go?
So the ride we just went on had a bunch of like flight simulating where there's a huge screen in front of you and you feel like you're flying. I love that kind of stuff.
It was amazing.
Yeah?
It's like a haunted house mixed with a roller coaster, mixed with a simulator.
It's pretty cool.
It's awesome. It was awesome.
Yes. So this coaster is classified as a family roller coaster ride. Those are my favorite. I really like roller coasters, but those extreme drops, they're not for me. But Isaac is really into roller coasters, and so is his cousin. So we're gonna be riding a whole bunch of them today. Hopefully I can keep up and not be too scared.
So Caleb has been playing with the snap circuits today. And what's this one?
It's a water alarm.
What does that mean?
It like goes off.
Once the
Just touch them in.
Whoa. So the electricity flows through the water to the other side.
Yeah.
The electricity is going through one wire, through the water to the other wire, and then making the alarm go off. This is one of the reasons we try to stay away from fallen wires near water, and fallen wires in general. With the earthquake and the hurricane, there are fallen wires around here sometimes.
This is not a leisurely day at an amusement park. Isaac and Jake are on a mission. They have mapped out where we're going and we are power walking everywhere. We are gonna be so tired at the end of this day, but we've already fit in a lot of rides.
So with all the damage that the earthquakes have caused down on the other part of the island, our congregation, our church congregation, is gathering supplies, taking stuff down tomorrow to that area. And so we're at the store gathering some stuff that we're gonna take up to church tomorrow.
Why did we buy so much underwear?
So these are adult diapers. Older people sometimes need diapers too when they get older. And that's one of the things that people have run out of down by the earthquake.
These are parent diapers.
No. So I just think it's funny as people see me checking out with all these little kids and a bunch of adult diapers, they're gonna think I'm the incompetent dad who doesn't know how to get the right size of diapers for my kids. Isn't that funny?
It's just so funny. Like you're having two whole cards.
Yes. So we were asked specifically to try to get tents, sleeping bags, air mattresses, or adult diapers. All the tents, airbags, and sleeping mattresses were out, so we were able to find some of the adult diapers. Was there a doggy?
Yeah.
Someone had a little doggy in here, huh? So the line comes all the way out here. So if our line actually wraps around here to go through to check out. So we're gonna load up this one cart here, And then we're gonna fill up Elise's. So you wait in line to go through and check out, and then you wait in line to leave the store. Everyone has to show their receipt before they leave the store.
So do you feel sick from all the rides yet?
A little bit, but not that much.
So Isaac's excited about the free fall ride. It shoots you straight up and then free fall drops you. Those are not my favorite rides, so I'm sitting out, but I'm excited to watch them.
And we decided to get some gum. Janae's pretty happy about that. So can you imagine if you needed something like diapers and you couldn't find any anywhere? What would that be like?
Well, it would just be a relief.
To get them?
I didn't know it was a thing where adults didn't get potty trained.
It's not that they didn't get potty trained, it's that as you get older you lose the ability to hold in your potty.
Oh.
Okay, Caleb, who are you playing?
Travis.
Uncle Travis. Travis loves Smash Bros. Whoa, he came down and beat you up and then still made it back up. How'd you do? Did he beat you?
So we've gotten some really short lines today, and then we're in this line, and now we're almost to the end, and there's some sort of technical problem, so we're not sure how long to wait, but we're just waiting. Waiting is not the fun part of the amusement parks. We have snacks, so that's good. Goggle abnormal. We have 3D goggles on for this one. The ride turned back on, and we are up and going. Look, it's a chocolate frog. We're taking a break from some rides and just exploring Harry Potter World. Woo! So we're trying to decide if we're gonna do the water ride or not.
I don't think so anymore.
You don't think so? Woo!
We're doing broccoli cheddar soup for dinner. Thank you, Costco. Is it good?
Yummy, yummy in my
Put a
tummy,
thumbs up.
tummy. Yummy,
Yummy in my tummy. What have you guys missed the most about Mom and Isaac being gone?
Well, I don't get to play sports as much.
You're normally playing football and button ball and all kinds of different stuff with Isaac. That's true.
Me and Isaac usually talk a lot together, and it's not normal. Like
You miss him?
Yeah, because like I usually tell him all the cool things that I thought of or like heard.
Yeah.
So it was different, but like at least I had everybody else.
That's how Mom is with me. At night we normally get to hang out together and then snuggling at night. I miss snuggling with Mom. What's that face?
What do you miss the most about Isaac gone? Because I know you miss Mom, of course, but
Isaac is really a leader in our family, and I definitely miss having him around as that older sibling. Uh-oh, you're getting some hair in your soup. Looks like you guys all liked the soup.
So we're super bummed right now. There's a brand new ride here and we waited in line for 2.5 hours for it. But there was some sort of a mechanical difficulty right there at the end. So we're almost at the very end and they closed it down. And so we are kind of bummed about that, but gonna try to make the most of the last few hours before the park closes tonight. It is so fun to see it at nighttime here and we're gonna ride our favorite rides one more time each. We're headed into a store called Ollivanders. We're gonna see how the wands choose their people or something like that. I clearly don't know enough about Harry Potter to be here. What in the world? Butterbeer. You like it? Our cousin had cold butterbeer. Which do you guys like better? Tough decisions. You think you like frozen? Which one do you like better?
Probably frozen.
Yeah? Well, we stayed until the park closed. We are tired. Amusement park tiredness is like a special kind of tiredness. It's super happy, a little bit motion sickness, your feet are completely tired, and you feel just a little woozy and confused, and like you need to take a really, really long sleep. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going home, well, to the hotel to sleep. What was your favorite ride?
The Hulk.
The Hulk? It's this one. It's this green one. Well, Merry Christmas. J-House out.
And you're happy and you know, clap your hands. And you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. And you're happy and you know, and your face is doing down. And you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
So how have you been feeling since you found out that you have epilepsy?
Well, kind of scared, but after I got a little more used to it, and I just realized I was normal, except for I have seizures sometimes, I felt pretty good.